Hey guys, so I'm back with another part install. This one's a little bit different. As you can see, it's a Volvo part, so it's kind of OEM, just not Subaru. It's sunglasses or just glasses holder that replaces your grab handle on the driver's side, or probably any of the grab handles, I think. But I'm gonna put it on the driver's side since I don't use that. I got this off of NASIOC. A user on there found out you could do this. So I'll link that in the description for you guys to see, and that's what I'm going to be using to install this. Oh, and by the way, I got this on Amazon, and that's the part number. But yeah, today we're gonna be replacing this. I know it's kind of dark, guys. Can I turn the light on? We're back with some light. We're replacing this with the glass holder. So yeah. All right, guys. So we're back, and as always, as it feels like, we had a little mishap. So the caps that go right here, like in there, it's like long. It goes through here and comes out over here. I guess it holds it better. I broke one of them right there. You can kind of see that little piece came off of there, and then this piece, which I didn't even know until I pulled the second one off. There's like a long part that comes out. I ended up finding that once I pulled the new one out. I was like, well, where did this one go? I found this one on my seat, and I don't know where the other one went. It might have even fallen in these holes. So, not too big of a deal. Luckily, I took the handle to the Subaru dealership, and they had one in stock, just so I could replace that little plastic part. As you can see, it's got these little things. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but oh well, it's not a big deal. I think you can probably even still insert it like this, and those clips will hold into the hole, but it'll probably be rattling, and plus it won't have the cover right there. It'll just have that hole. So whatever, I got another one. All right, I'll be back. Wait, guys, so I forgot to talk about how to pull the caps out. So they're in like that. Okay, I'm not gonna put it all the way in because I don't want it to clip, but let's see if I could get a good angle. Should I use the broken one? Because that'll give a better view of how it was when it was attached. So zoom in. There's like these little slots right there. There's one on the other side too. The way I did it, I put one screwdriver in there, and then one in the other side, and I held them both, and I squished, and then I pulled them down. The first one broke, and then the second one, this one didn't break. I found that sticking the screwdriver just in there, where you see that just above that little square, helped you to also get some leverage on that. I loosened one side first and then the other side, and then it came out as one. All right, guys, we are back. Right now, we have drilled holes on the inside of the handle, right there. Not the nicest holes, but whatever. And right there. And the reason we did that is because we need to get this pin out. And I already got this part out a bit. The best way that I found to do it was to use a punch and to put it right there on the table, and then it's like pushing against the other side of the pin, and then you hammer it right here on the top, right next to the pin. You hammer it and slowly it'll come out, and I'm about to pull it out. So yeah, this is literally less than 10 seconds later. I've pulled that out. Now there's nothing in there, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so here I am holding the other side. That's pressing against the pin. I'm going to hammer right there, not on the pin itself, but just around it to see when it comes out. All right, guys, so here I still am. I'm hammering away. It's out that much, and I'm about to pull it out. Excuse the focus. Okay, so here we are. There's the pin. This spring came off, and you're supposed to pay attention to what the orientation was, which I didn't because it popped off suddenly. So, but yeah, there's the other hinge. There's this hinge, but I'm gonna figure out the orientation real quick of the spring. All right, guys, so the spring was orientated like that, I'm pretty sure, because whichever way you flip it, it's the same. And it was resting against there. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay, so here's the Volvo sunglasses holder. And I believe what we need to do next is we need to remove these pins that go through right here. This is the one with the spring. Only one side has a spring, just like the Subaru handle. And luckily it looks like this is you can see it's like has a little latch or something, plastic latch. Looks like you can remove that or move it out of the way slightly so that you can just pull these out this way with some pliers. So let me get some pliers. Yeah, guys, so it looks like you can move these. Oh, sorry, guys, I'm one-handed right now. If I put the screwdriver right there, and then you kind of, see if I can do this one-handed while holding. You can kind of see, yeah. Oh yeah, it did it a little, so yeah. Just be careful because it already looks kind of like it could break right there. It was like that, like it's the whiteness. And then right here too, there, you can move that out of the way. And then you can, looks like you can, again, lift it how I'm lifting it, see? And then get the hinge out under it through here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, guys, what I'm finding easier is to use a knife and put it in the other side and kind of push so that it could come out through this side. And as you can see, the other side, I'm already working on it. It's already like, see how it's under the little plastic latch? It's even holding the latch. Because that's what I did on this side. You can't even see it on. You could barely see it right there. So I'm gonna pull it out all the way. All right, guys, so I managed to get a grip on it with these pliers, and I'm slowly pulling it out. All right, guys, so I got them both out. There they are, right here and here. Just how they were oriented. That's how the spring was on that one. And that one's the springless one. Here are the Subaru ones. this is what we're left with. And I believe the tutorial says that we have to shave these ridges right here to make it more flat. All right, guys, it's not pretty, but I ended up using a Dremel to get all that stuff out. We won't be able to see that, but right now I'm just gonna try to put on the hinges and see if it works. All right, guys, so I got one side in, this side right here. It was kind of hard to get this the pin through to the other side because the Subaru hinge is like really thick, so it was like misaligning it. So I found that it was easiest to sorry guys, one-handed again. Put a screwdriver in there and push down right there. Push down while also pushing in right here. That way it went into that, to there. As you can see, it came out the other side. I even clipped the little latch, plastic latch back in. I used the Subaru hinge, but I used the Volvo spring and pin. The tutorial said to use the Subaru spring, but I just couldn't get it to work, and it was finicky. It didn't fit. The Volvo one, and it has that curve. You can see that curve, that 90-degree curve, and it fits right in that notch perfectly. The Subaru one does not have that. So I'm sure you could get it to work if you bend it or something, but it wasn't working for me. And this one seems to be working. It's kind of strong though. Like when you, let me zoom out. It's pretty strong, but I'm gonna try to get the other side in right now, and then we'll install it. So I'll show you. So it's right here. As you can see, it's kind of misaligned because this part right here is really fat. That's why you got to shave down that flat part at the bottom to make room for it, because it's already touching. But even then, it's still misaligned. So I'm going to try to force it in. I'm just going to align it like that. I'm pushing pretty hard right now, guys. And then I'm going to push it in at the same time from right there. All right, guys, here we are again. So we use the Subaru hinges, and we use the Volvo pin and Volvo spring over here. Over here we just use the Subaru hinge and the Volvo pin. Excuse my dogs, guys. Echo. Relax. Willie. Relax. All right, guys, so I got one side in. Pretty much you just insert this part right here, this metal part, into the hole. And then you put this through the bottom. So I gotta put one more side in, but it doesn't seem to reach all the way, if that makes sense. So let me see if I can get it in. Here, let me do it off camera. All right, guys, so here it is. I had to take it back out and put this side in first. For some reason, that was easier. Now I just need to put in a little clip. You can see right there. You gotta squeeze it in the middle. Squeeze the two pillars together or whatever. And then you push it in. There it goes. What I meant was you gotta squish it like that. Squish those two. Put one more in like that, yeah. Squish it. There it goes. There it goes. There. Yeah. I think that's it, guys. That's pretty cool. Let's try it. Let's see. I mean, at least it goes up. Let's see. Yeah. Does it go all the way? It doesn't go all the way, but you can force it up. It does go up a little bit. You can see. Put it all the way down. Goes up. Kind of stops right there. It's probably because these Subaru hinges are pretty thick. But yeah, let's see. Let me put my glasses in there. Yeah, guys. So the glasses fit better this way, as opposed to like rotate it around like that. They fit better that way, because if you put them the other way, they touch right here because they're wider at the top and they're narrower at the bottom. But it's pretty cool. I'm happy with it, even if I have to push it up a little bit extra. I mean, even if I don't, I could leave it like that. But if you want to push it a little bit extra, oh yeah, I'm cool with it. Heck yeah. All right, guys, we back. Still stockpiling parts. You know, finances, man. Finances. It's kind of hard, but I'm gonna slowly keep inching along, and I'll be back with some more part installs. Yeah, hopefully we'll get the suspension done soon. This year for sure we'll get it done. Peace out, guys. Thank you.